I've been stuck on your memory.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy from Lucy's Fashion Lab, and today I am going to be showing you how to get this easy, fast makeup look. It is the makeup look that I go to when I need to be out the door in 20 to 30 minutes, or the makeup look I go to when I need to jump on a Zoom call and I look like a hot mess. So if you want to know how to get this makeup look that you see here and get a gist of all the products that I use, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so yet. So without further ado, let's get started. So I wanted to do a get ready with me type of tutorial, like a simple, easy, everyday makeup that you could do, let's say prior to work or even prior to any Zoom calls you may have. So we're gonna start off first with our moisturizer, and the moisturizer I use is from OLEHENRIKSEN. And I just take some of this and apply it all over my face, and this just leaves your face so smooth, and I just truly love this moisturizer. It's like, it just feels so good. So I take some like so, and then just make sure to get your forehead, your nose area. Then I'm going to take the banana eye cream from also the same brand, and I take some here and look up and just make sure to get in this area here and work my way out. And yes, this is something I do every morning and every night. And then what I like to do is apply my Truth Serum, which is collagen boost, and I just take 2 pumps like so, and then I just kind of tap it into the skin. I am ready to move on to my brows. And what I like to apply on my brows is this cream. I recently did get my brows microbladed, and honestly it's one of the best things that I've done. It's like one of the best decisions I've made. I'm so happy with the results. They're still healing, but basically this is like a cream that goes on your brows when you get them microbladed, and it's just to help them heal and also to moisturize them. So I apply like so. I could do a whole video explaining this process of my microblading experience. So once I took that cream and applied it on my brows, I like to take my fan and just kind of help to speed up the process of all the creams to dry down. So I just do this really quickly. This just helps, and it feels so refreshing. Okay, so once I have done that with my fan, I've let the products kind of dry into my skin. I'm going to take my foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using today is my Tarte Shape Tape Heavy Duty. And this foundation is great because a little goes a long way. So I just apply it like so. Okay, perfect. So once I have that, now I'm ready to move on to concealer, and I just take it like so. I do like my under eye area to be a bit bright, to say the least. And as you see, I just like how it like automatically brightens up that area, and I like that look. See, very nice. Then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Concealer in NC35, and I'm just going to take this and just spot conceal any areas I just want extra coverage. So I always like here, some more brightness around the mouth, and here. I'm going to take my Banana Ben 9 powder, and I'm going to take some here on my hand. So once I do that, then I'm going to take my Sephora MicroSmooth powder, face powder. I'm gonna take my brush and just do like so. So once I have that, got it. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my contour kit, and I'm going to take Anastasia, and I'm going to take the color here, this one here, which it's basically almost all done. I'm gonna take it on the other end of the brush and just go like so, and I'm going to begin my contour process. And this is just to bring some bronziness to the skin, so also it doesn't look flat and you bring back dimension. Whenever I'm in a rush, I really don't highlight. I kind of just do bronzer and blush, and I try to go for a blush that has like a little bit of some type of luminosity to it. So I'm gonna take the color Sola like so and go like this and just apply it here. Okay, and I just like how that adds some glow at the same time as adding a nice little blush moment. So once I apply the blush, I'm just gonna take some mascara and apply it like so. Like that. And then what I like to do, this is just something extra, is take that same bronzer color, that dark color, and just take it here and apply it on the crease. So then I'm just gonna take the Real Tinted Primer that's actually for the lashes, but I use it for my brows, and I just go through and comb them through like so. I just like how they look. But again, I have mine microbladed, so I just don't fill them in when I'm going for an everyday look. I just use this product. And then now I'm just going to finish off with my lips, and I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Gemini. And you could just leave it like this, or you could add a gloss. And what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of gloss. And that pretty much completes your simple makeup look. So as you saw, I used a couple products and it was pretty fast and easy. So I hope you enjoyed today's makeup look. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And please stay tuned for new upcoming videos that I will be uploading. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.